Join our journey and help us build a thriving family. Subscribe now and grow with us.
Ever wonder if that aftermarket exhaust actually gives your car more power, or is it just making a lot more noise? Let's break it down. Aftermarket exhaust systems, especially catback setups, reduce back pressure and help your engine breathe a little easier. That means more efficient exhaust flow, and in some cars, you could see gains of 5 to even 20 horsepower. But here's the truth. On most stock engines, the power gain is usually pretty small. What you're really getting is sound. That deep growl, that aggressive tone, it doesn't add a ton of speed, but it sure feels faster. And let's be honest, that's what most of us are going for, right? So yeah, a few extra ponies, maybe. But the real win is that head-turning sound every time you rev. Got an exhaust mod on your ride?